The Angels drafted the hottest college pitcher of the year, Ben Joyce, in the third round of the draft, throwing a fastest fastball of 168.9 kilometers per hour. Ben Joyce throws a faster fastball than Shohei Ohtani.
Angels go with Ben Joyce, a name we've talked about quite a bit over the last few days.
And there's another Tennessee guy too. I mean, he hit 105 miles an hour with his fastball this spring, averaged 101. I mean, it's the best fastball in the draft.
Ben has a twin brother, Zach, who is also a fastball pitcher. Both brothers have had Tommy John surgery, which is very rare. After coming back from surgery, Ben throws 105.5 miles per hour, the fastest pitch in college baseball history, and has become famous.
Low slot with a really nasty approach angle. It's going to be interesting. Tennessee handled him very carefully. He's coming back from Tommy John surgery. He's had injury issues in the past. He only pitched once or twice a week. I think he's a reliever. He's going to have to be able to pitch more frequently and get better command of the slider to succeed in pro ball.
The Angels drafted all pitchers last year, and some players will be coming up to the majors in the next few years. I can't wait to see Ben Joyce's straight ball in the stadium.